Hi everyone, this is Lisa from Prism Planner. Today I am going to be planning for the week of Monday, July 9th through Sunday the 15th in my vertical neutral Erin Condren life planner. I swear one of these days I'll learn how to talk. And the kit I'm going to be using is from Sticker Insantiy. Don't mind those. I'll get to those. This is her Summer Sweets kit in the mini kit version. So I'll go over this with you. But first I want to let you know this is a collab with a few girls in the Sticky crew, which is like the Sticker Insantiy group. And you know, that's what we call ourselves. I'm a PR girl for her shop. So definitely use my code Lisa15 at checkout to save, and you'll get my exclusive freebie too when you mention Lisa in the notes. So anyway, this is, yeah, so I will link the girls who, like, if they have a YouTube channel or just like their Instagram or whatever, I will link them in the description box down below for this collab. Actually the next three weeks are going to be collabs, so stay tuned for those. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. Okay, anyway, so it comes the mini kit. I think I picked up the glitter headers a la carte. So that's the Summer Sweets glitter headers, and as I was saying, this is a mini kit. So the way her mini kits are formatted is that actually the boxes themselves are shorter, as you can see, because they're meant for like traveler's notebooks or like ring or whatever, ringed planners, you know, or TNs. But I kind of wanted to use a mini kit and in my Erin Condren just to see, I don't know, like if it saved me more room. Obviously it will, because the boxes are shorter. Whatever. Anyway, so we're gonna see what happens. I don't know if I like this style with the short boxes. I might just switch back to buying her like regular, you know, Erin Condren kits where the boxes are, you know, like the full thing, whatever. Anyways, so you've got 6 full boxes here. The 7th is right there. So I won't be able to, I don't have anything for my sidebar, but there's deco. Okay, anyways, weekend banner, page flags, sidebars, stuff, glitter bow dividers. Like I was saying, deco, so I'm gonna do something with that. 3-heart checklist, glitter labels, headers, little kiss cut date dots, half boxes, quarter boxes, and skinny labels, and date covers. And then these, like I said, don't mind these. I pulled these in from my collection. This is peach flags from Station Stickers in the forest colorway. I don't think she offers these anymore. She only offers like page flags when it's when she's coming out with the new release. She'll offer page flags in like a corresponding colorway of whatever her kit is. So I don't think you can pick up this forest colorway anymore. And I did cut it because it I needed it to fit in my storage, but whatever. Anyway, I thought the colors were good. And this kit does come with some page flags right here, but I don't know, they seemed a little small to me, and I don't know, I just wanted to pull in some more holographic, because I'm going to be using hollow and gold this week, and the colors worked too, so those are pretty. Yeah, so, and the washi I'm going to be using is this washi from Simply Gilded. I've got the 2 tropical yellow, I don't know what they're called. They're from the tropical colorway with the holographic bows. This is the Planner Con Mama, or 15mm Planner Con with holographic. And then this is from the newest, the June Seas, Serene Seas sub box. And it just says like, seize the day, surf, salt and sun, I don't know, whatever. Just kind of like sea stuff, which I thought the color works. And also, you know, it's kind of like, I mean, it's summer or whatever, but like there's like crabs and like the sun and fish and stuff. It just kind of reminds me of the beach, you know, like flip-flops, and yeah. So I thought, cool, whatever. We'll see. Anyways, let's just get started. Oh, by the way, there's not bottom washi in the mini either, the mini kits, so that's why I pulled out a little bit more washi than usual. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so I'm just going to start by laying down the bottom washi. I apologize for this video going up as the like plans actually being voiceover. It was just this video was just taking way too long. I don't know, it was just lack of self-control. I don't know if I ramble too much. I don't know what it is, but basically I've decided I'm gonna do voiceovers for like the planning, but I still want to talk to you guys. So actually what I've decided for next week's Plan With Me is I'm gonna talk through this part right here with the washi and like date covers and sidebar. I'm gonna talk through that, and I'm just gonna voice over the like day by day because that's easy to voice over. You know, I could be like, oh, I'm going to grab this sticker and I have to go to a doctor. Like, that's easy to voice over. But I feel like when I'm doing the washi and the date covers and stuff, that's kind of my time to like update you guys about my life and like, you know, talk to you guys about what's going on in your life. So I'm going to try that next week instead of actually voicing over pretty much the whole thing. I'm going to jump back in when the plans are over and just like give an outro to you guys, like an actual talk through outro. But yeah, the video was just way too long. Seriously, it was like an hour and 25 minutes long. And even if I edited out, you know, all the like little things and stuff, it still would have been way too long because I tried that and it was still like over an hour. So I was like, no, this is ridiculous. So anyway, so you just saw me do that. I made my own little full box up there with washi and deco because, you know, it didn't, this kit, the mini kit only comes with 7 boxes. So I liked how that turned out, but I did change a lot of it. So definitely follow my Instagram if you want to see the like updated version of my, of this spread, because I did move around a lot of stuff. And then I just put down the 2 habit trackers and then the Monday through Sunday box. And then I decided to extend the bottom washi down there because I don't know what else to put down there since I used up pretty much most of the deco. So I was like, okay, I'm going to extend the bottom washi and then just use this like glitter label because I could put like, I don't know, like a thankful thought or something, like a grateful thought of the week or something like that, you know? So I'm just starting with the Coffee Monday sticker from, the actual coffee cup is from Monday's Addiction, and then the holographic foiled one is from Sticky Committee. And then I took a glitter label and then a My Newest Addiction gold foil arrow to mark the, I'm sorry about all the background noise, to mark uploading my plan with me because I started doing that on Mondays. And then I put a quarter box there, but I left it, I didn't talk about what that was for. Because it's for, I'm not quite sure if it's going to happen yet, basically. So I'm just going to, leave that blank until I can confirm what it is. Anyway, then that 3 heart to clean checklist is from the Sticker Genie. I am a PR girl for her shop. So just mention Lisa 20, to save 20% and then put Lisa in the notes so you can get my exclusive freebie. And then I just ended the day with, what is this? A half box for a library event with my son. And then I put some washi, the Planner Con Mama 15 millimeter, and I put this $2 Tuesday from Sticker Insanity because it's $2 Tuesday. And then I took a half box with an Artemis from Binks and Bones to mark another library event. And I'm a PR girl for a shop as well, so you can use Lisa 15 to save 15%. Then I took a glitter label and did the upload thing again with the My Newest Addiction arrows. Because I'm uploading my rewind spread, in my personal planner on Tuesdays. And I was playing around with with the full boxes because I didn't realize I wasn't spreading them out very well. So, and then I just took a to-do header and then a 3 heart checklist just so for, you know, my to-dos for that day. Wednesday I started with the full box and used a quarter box with the Magic Prince Co. gold foil nail polish icon to mark that I'm painting my nails on Wednesday. And then I just put down that Planner Con washi again. And then I wanted to take up that space underneath, you know, on the bottom of Monday. So I put a little strip of washi there. And then I took a half box with a car because my in-laws are actually going to go visit my sister-in-law. And they're going to be there for like a week. So I just wanted to make sure I marked that they're going to be leaving on Wednesday. I'm so sorry for this freaking chair, you guys. And then I moved that around because I thought that the two to-do lists were like too close for comfort. So I just moved those around. Oh, and then the quarter box on the bottom with the bow is from Binks and Bones. And that's just because we're going to be tutoring my son at the library. Moving on to Thursday, I used another to-do header and a 3 heart checklist. And then I used another glitter label with the My Newest Addiction arrow because I like to pre-plan and film on Thursdays. And then I took, I took another strip of washi and layered it with this skinny label with the Magic Prince Co. trash icon because it's Trash Eve. I'm so sorry. And then I took a half box with popcorn from my exclusive freebie from the Binks and Bones sheet. Because we're going to be going to the park and there's like a movie under the stars type thing. Friday, I took this Friday script from an Oh Hello Stationery Co. Freebie because it's Friday the 13th. And so I wanted it to be like this pretty script that says Friday. And then underneath it, I'm going to write the 13th. Wahaha. I think the Friday the 13th is pretty cool. Anyway, I use this skinny label, the yellow one, to mark that I need a meal plan. I like to do that on Fridays. Did my to-do list, and then I did a quarter box with another Binks and Bones bow. I love those bows, are my favorite, because we want to go swimming. And then at the bottom, I did a little skinny label with a paw print from like this random icon like sheet that I got sent in a giveaway. The paw print is because I need to check on the dogs. My in-laws have 3 miniature poodles, and because they're gonna be out of town for the whole week, I am the one who goes over there every other day to check on them. So that was just to remind me to go check on the dogs. Then I did my washi weekend banner, which is my first one. So please let me know in the comments what you think of it. And yeah, I was trying to position like where am I going to put my full boxes so that I don't put them back to back. And I used a skinny label because I need to get groceries on Saturday. And then I used a half box with another Binks and Bones bow because we have a Michael's event to go to, and a quarter box for hiking on Saturday. Then I went ahead and put a half box on the bottom to mark Cozy Paper Kona releases, Lisa 15 to save and get my gold foil freebie. The yellow glitter label is for meal prepping and check the dogs. The pink glitter label is for filming my rewind, and the quarter box is for swimming. So yeah, thanks for watching. I really like the way it turned out. I love these colors. They're really pretty. And then I just decided to show you guys, this is the washi that I ended up using because, you know, originally I had only had like, what, this, and this, but I threw in some more. So I could do the washi banner. And what's left of the kit, I have glitter headers. I've got the page flags and these glitter bow dividers. And this is a sticker too. I've got some checklists, some headers. I've got a little deco and these cut date dots. And I've got a random glitter header and a couple of skinny labels. So, oops. So, yes. Sorry that it had to be a voiceover for the rest of the video. I've just started to learn that basically I cannot freaking, for the life of me, ever make a video talk through that is a reasonable, decent amount of time because I've been now filming for an hour and 25 minutes, and which is like just ridiculous. I mean, yeah, the glitter header took a while. I mean, the weekend banner took a while, but still, it was running on like over like an hour something when I decided, you know what, screw this, I'm doing a voiceover. So yeah, it was just taking way too long. I apologize. I just figured at least say bye in talk through form. Anyway, please leave me a comment and say hello, and please thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. And, you know, definitely subscribe if you're not and you like to see more. Look at all this gorgeous foil. Oh my gosh. I decided I wanted to leave this blank instead of using another page flag because I don't want to cover the date cover, and also I don't want to cover the foil with the date cover. Whatever, anyway. One flag looks nice to me. Anyway, look at all this gorgeous foil, and the hollow is real. Anyways, I will see you guys next week, and definitely make sure you check the description for links, you know, for what I've used, for discount codes, and then also remember this is a collab, so for the girls or other people in this collab. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.